Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to be making sopa de lentejas or lentil soup, so let's begin. So we're going to start off this recipe by soaking 1 pound of lentils in water, preferably overnight. This is going to help soften the lentil, and it's also going to reduce dramatically its cooking time. Once the lentils have soaked, we're going to drain them and we're going to put them aside. Now we're going to dice up 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 handful of culantro, 2 bell peppers, 1 handful of ají criollo, and 3 oregano leaves. Now to a big pot, we're going to pour in some 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil, and we're going to wait about a minute or 2 until the oil gets nice and hot. We're then going to add our lentils and we're going to saute these for about 5 minutes. We're then going to add in our diced vegetables and we're going to continue to fry and stir for 5 minutes. Next we're going to add water, and this is going to be enough to cover the lentils completely, so it's roughly about 4 to 6 cups. We are then going to reduce the heat to a low-medium setting and we're going to stir everything nicely. We're then going to add 1 chicken bouillon. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, another teaspoon of hot sauce, and finally 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. We're now going to stir occasionally and we're going to allow the lentils to cook until soft and tender. This is going to be roughly about 40 minutes, give or take. And voila, we have our delicious sopa de lentejas. We could have this on its own as a soup or also as a topping on some rice, or we could add rice in it. Whichever way you like to have your lentils, delicious. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram at san.paul20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye.